For more information, see the description below. Namaste.
This is better definition for Purvavaksha.
Okay. We still have some space here.
Yeah, better to write because Pradignyartha Sambhoshanam Vakyam.
Ka
Pradignyartha
Pradik
Pradignyartha you can see in that. Pradignyartha Pradignyartha Sandoshanam Vakyam. Pradignyartha Sandoshanam Vakyam. Artha Sandoshanam Vakyam. Samdushanam.
Okay, meaning?
Now, what is the meaning of Pradignyartham? The Pradignya is the statement in which, 1 minute, Pradignya is a statement which introduces a subject matter to be proved.
Okay.
Okay? So you have a subject matter, you want to prove it. It is called Pradignya. That means in your research thesis it is
The hypothesis.
hypothesis. What is the meaning of Sandoshanam? Tell me what is the meaning of Doshanam?
That is faulty.
False. So what is the meaning of Sandoshanam like that?
Without fault.
Sandoshanam.
Completely.
Samyak.
Completely false.
Yes, the statement which spoken, right, the statement which is spoken against the view of the other is called Purvavaksha. Here, it may not have to be complete opposition. It may not have to be complete opposition. May not have to be complete opposition. Got it? You are wrong, they will not say. This is like this, they will say. So it is also diverting you from the Pradignya. Are you getting my point? They
So
will not.
let's take the example of Kushta.
Ah,
And one view is that it's mainly caused by
ahara,
Viruddhahara.
viruddha.
Okay?
Ah.
So the exposition there is going in that sense.
Then he will tell, you are speaking about viruddhahara, but in Sadhmya patient, the viruddhahara is not
Important.
causing any kushta.
Okay.
Then your statement is wrong. Clear?
So the person will reply. But Viruddhahara only occurs when the Agni doesn't handle the situation. Because Viruddhahara is always implied under the concept that the Agni is not handling the Viruddha. So there is no Viruddha not relating to the state of the Agni of the person.
Here Agni is very important when we are speaking about viruddha in kushta.
Yes.
That will be the statement given by the Uttaravaksha. That means the author.
Okay. So when there
In the
is
Satmya condition, his Agni
this
is
is a
adjusted
kind
to.
of diversion from the subject.
Yeah. That means you wanted to prove your statement. They will ask questions which can obstruct your way to the proof. Clear? They have no idea that you are completely wrong. But they don't want to take you to the... Clear? Clear? That's why it is Purvavaksha. Generally opposites. They will make you wrong. You are wrong. Not
So
in...
when there is this kind of doctoral presenting of the thesis. Sometimes people will do the Purva
Vaiva.
Paksha.
Vaiva. Vaiva you can say Purvaksha.
What is Vaiva?
Vaiva means the subject expert will pose the questions to the PhD scholar.
Okay.
And he will make some sentences that which is against the statement made by the student.
Okay.
He can prove it on his way, but he will ask.
Okay. Clear.
Clear?
Now it's clear.
So this sentence is far better than that. Because always the statement given by the Purvaksha will be opposing the view of the author to prove his statement, hypothesis. The
Clear.
intention of Purvaksha is questioning the hypothesis. So some authors, what they will do, they themselves will create the Purvaksha. Because Purvaksha can ask this question, they will tell. Purvaksha can ask this question, then I will reply like this. There are books like that, especially in Vyakhyana. The describer himself will tell that the Purvaksha can ask this question. It is not like this is the answer for that. Like this, he himself will create the Purvaksha and Uttaravaksha. The advantage of that Vyakhyana is more elaborate and understandable. It will be generally seen in Vyakhyanas.
This is very used in law.
La. Correct. Because descriptions are always the books which gives the perfect legal interpretation. That means with the support, logical support, interpretation for the author's lines.
Okay.
Okay, come on, next turn.